Hello YouTube, we're degreasing the bottom of the engine in this car. We'd had the oil changed at a place and they just let it run down the engine. I'll be able to show you right where it runs down. And then they come and tell my wife one day there's a bunch of oil leaks on the car. So she told them what I told her to tell them. Yeah, the oil leaks are oil you guys spill. You'll be able to see where it comes down. I'll show you that's the side where the filter is. But using our Harbor Freight ramps, we chose them over another major brand because of the reviews. I'm going to trust the Harbor Freight ramps. If you watch the videos, you might get the same opinion because I haven't seen a set of these broke on YouTube like the other company. So we'll get you over there in a minute. I'm in the shade taking a break, and it's going to be about 80 today. We have the engine warmed up. We're going to get over there and show you where we've cleaned it off, where we can compare it between the grease and how I've cleaned it off just with Purple Power. Okay, it's kind of hard to see there, but they changed oil. It runs right down about here. Right down over the starter area. Okay. So they just let it run all the way down. You can see where it's run down. We've had the transmission pan changed. There's no leak there. No leaks on the oil pan. This looked about like this a few minutes ago. The engine's not real hot. It's warm. The pan was totally coated. We're going to do the best we can with what we got, our little degreaser gun. So back to work. When we're done, we'll give you an after view of what it looks like. We're going to use warm soapy water to rinse with. Not worry about no clear water. So stay tuned. Well, that's the best we can do. I mean, it's not a total dirt grease monster looking mess under here. I did do some scraping with a putty knife, but it's hard to go to the car wash. You don't want to use the ramps at the car wash if they even let you. And you don't want to lay on the ground either, get back in the car all wet and slimy. But there you go. It's better than what it was. We're going to do a little under the hood. We'll get up there and show you just a little bit. I don't like spraying a lot on the wiring, so we're not going to wash a whole lot underneath the top of the engine, but we'll get up and show you what it looks like, and then we'll hose it off a little. Okay, quick look under the hood. We're going to wash like that area. We're going to try to stay away from the wiring and wash kind of like this area. We're stay away from the computer wiring. And there's a plastic panel that goes in these cars. We're going to go to the car wash sometime, wash out the radiator and the air conditioner thing here. We do that like once a year. It's not running hot, it's just preventive maintenance. So yes, this takes 5 quarts of oil. Try to tell that to the place that used to change oil and they can't look in an owner's manual. My rant for the day, it takes 5 quarts. See that? Okay, we started up, make sure they run smooth. We did take the air hose anywhere where we thought we got water near a wire connection. So start it up, let it warm up, operating temperature, shut it off. That way if there's any moisture anywhere, it will dry out, hopefully. We did try that car spray wax on here. It didn't make it very shiny, but it does look better. I just don't want it real grungy and dirty on the hood. You don't want to get filthy checking the oil. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll leave you some pictures.